got good news for you. With this electric can opener, you can multitask. All you need to do, just put the electric can opener on whatever you want to open. It keeps rotating while you're busy cutting tomatoes or cutting different things, man. Up your kitchen game, guys. Get this. You can press the link in my bio or the showcase. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Opening worries with this little thing. Don't look at the compactness of this thing, but you can open any size jar. Now I'm going to show you how amazing it is. No more worries about opening cans.